Are you trying to learn how to build a fully redundant Windows domain from scratch? I am Shah, and in this series, I'll guide you step by step from installing Hyper-V to setting up Windows Server 2022 as the primary domain controller and Windows Server 2025 as the backup server, and configuring DNS, DHCP, group policy, and file sharing. By the end, you'll have a complete, rock-solid lab environment ready for testing, learning, or showing off your skills. First, I would like to show you how our network will look like and what we will need to set up the network. So here is the diagram. We will be using pfSense 2.7.2 and we will use it as a router. So this will be our first setup. After that, we will be installing Server 2022 and Server 2025. Configure them as a domain controller, and then these domain controllers will be connected to our pfSense router, and the router will be connected to the internet. That's how our network will look like. If you don't know what pfSense is, it is a firewall. You can download it for free. We will also need Server 2022 and Server 2025 ISO versions and Hyper-V. If you don't want to use Hyper-V, you can use Oracle VM or VMware, whatever you prefer. If you want to download pfSense or Server 2022 and Server 2025, don't worry, I will leave the links in the description for you to download it from. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.